everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my fall edition Niyamasol seasonal box. I get this box every season and it's just a seasonal subscription. Please don't mind the background. I don't have any decorations up in my new home. This is the first video of me filming in my new home in Japan, and I don't have my other pillows yet. It's in Devin's shipment and he hasn't gotten his shipment yet. So don't mind that. Alright, let's get started in the seasonal box. So Niyamasol is a very spiritual subscription, and or like a new age spiritual, let's say, and I already opened up the box. So this box, Niyamasol, goes by the different Niyamas, and if you have a yoga practice, you know what Niyamas are. This season's Niyama is Tapas, and Tapas is the willpower, personal strength, discipline to ignite the fire within to help us develop healthy habits and burn off the bad ones. The third of the Niyamas, or personal observant, so that's what Niyama means, it's a personal observant, like different categories to focus on. So each season they give a different category, different Niyama to focus on. Tapa translates to heat, fiery discipline, and internal fire or passion. Tapas denotes a flame that burns away any obstacle you may have in reaching your goals. Mental impurities and self-doubt are removed so you can achieve whatever you desire with your mind, body, and soul. So there is a bunch of different things. In yoga, tapas may represent a super sweaty vinyasa flow, while other days it may just be self-discipline. So pretty much what this Niyama means, tapas, is self-discipline, being motivated. All these products are curated with products from female founder companies. So let's dive in. The first one we're gonna get into is obviously the beautiful leggings they give us. And this is the crocodile leggings. It's in a crocodile pattern, and I will try on this to show you guys what it looks like on. And it's in the color gold. And they specifically put it in the color gold for a reason. And I love Niyamasol's leggings so much. They are so soft, so stretchy, and they're made out of recycled material. And that is why I'm so obsessed with them. It's 86% recycled material, 40% spandex. It's made from plastic water bottles, so I really like how they make it like eco-friendly like that. Next up, and the crocodile meaning, again, the crocodile is all about strength, physical strength, courage, and the need to have self-discipline. So you see the theme here, it's like self-discipline and just getting your shit done, basically, and being fiercely confident in all aspects of your life. The color gold represents illumination, love, courage, passion, and wisdom. Channel the primal power of crocodile and let your internal frame sparkle with all the passion, magic, and wisdom. What I love about it is that you could just set an intention while you're wearing these pants, set an intention with like every product for physical strength and for self-discipline and confidence. And that's like the focus. That's what yoga is all about, setting an intention in different areas. And that's why Niyamasol does different Niyamas. And yeah, do you see where I'm going there? Next up, we have the JC Tapas necklace, which I'm wearing right now. I really love this, and the reason why I love this so much is because it's like a square. It's so different. It's so different from any other jewelry that I have, and honestly, if I saw this in a store, I probably wouldn't buy it. And that's what I like about it, is that it's something unique, and it just keeps me more open-minded. So it's an energy glyph symbol, and it's symbols. So symbols, we use symbols everywhere. If you watch a movie, TV, there's always symbols. Like we run on symbols. Even if you don't notice it, now you're probably gonna notice that. Everything in life, everywhere you go, you see symbols. So symbols are a reminder to return to the purpose of our personal journey. As you open the JC Tapas necklace, take a moment to set an intention and personal observance for your upcoming moment, month, or year, or healthy habits. So every time you put this necklace on, and you could do this with anything. You don't need to like specifically do it with this box. You could do tapas with anything, any jewelry that you have. The purpose of this video and for this necklace, you can, set the intention for the upcoming moment, month, or year every time you put this necklace on. And then it tells you all the boss babes that have created their product so that you could like research them or look them up, follow them. Next up, we have the Naturopathica skincare. It comes with a little spoon. Here's the box. I already have been using it. It's really a great moisturizer to hydrate and protect. It's a cream. It's a calendula essential hydrating cream, and it's just, I wish there was a smell can. This is what it looks like. It is so gentle and soft. And I don't know if you've ever smelled calendula before, but calendula is a flower and an herb, and it's really has like a mild scent. And that's why I love this, because it's not too strong. It's just the slightest scent, and it really moisturizes my skin. It just gives me that glow with like my makeup on and everything. I only use this in the morning because I have different skin products for the nighttime. You just use a little bit of a pea size. It will probably last me a long time, and I love that it is in a cobalt blue glass jar. It is in a glass jar, and I put this in my skincare fridge to make it last longer. Also, what the Tapas means is having self-discipline in your healthy habits. So having the best clean skincare products around doesn't hurt. The Calendula Hydrating Cream offers a clean way to hydrate daily and keep your skincare routine fresh. And it is vegan, so that is great. Let's see the ingredients. Yeah, it has aloe vera, sunflower oil, aspen, rose, borage, calendula, rosemary, lavender. It has like other things as well, but it has really good ingredients. It's just a really thing. And then it also has a cruelty-free symbol on it as well. Okay, next up we have the Lifeway probiotics. So they gave a travel form of probiotics, which I wish I had this during the whole time that I was traveling, but that's okay. You don't need to use this for traveling. It is vegan friendly. If you didn't know, there's gelatin capsules, so that's why it says it's vegan friendly, because these are vegetable capsules that it's made of. It's a gluten-free, allergen-free, and it has a kosher sticker on it. I haven't opened this yet, so the bottle is green. I'll just open it just to show you what it looks like. And I'll probably start taking this in the morning anyway, just because probiotics are really good for the gut, really good for the skin. That's what they look like. We have, oh well, let's read what it says in this little pamphlet. We love your guts, and so does Lifeway. We have learned that your gut is your second brain, and mind-gut connection helps guide you along your soul journey. Ignite your path from within by trusting your gut. We want to make sure you are healthy inside and out. Next up, we got a Erin Condren journal. I'm really excited that they partnered with Erin Condren, and they even wrote Niyamasol on the cover. It says, "Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire." So it's a very fiery theme. And it comes with a 10% off coupon for Erin Condren. I actually have 2 Erin Condren calendars. And then right here you can like put in your name, and then it says, "Hey Soul Sister," and there's like a little, you know, a little note for you. And this is simply like a journal, like notebook. Like you can write lists, whatever it is that you want. There's bullet points. You can like write on top, like the month, the date, whatever you want to do with that, and it's fine. And what's even cooler is that they have a crocodile pattern for the theme of the leggings on the back. So I was super excited that there was an Erin Condren journal. I love journals. I have so many. All right, next up we have the Nest Body Mist. Occasionally we get fired up and our mental impurities lead us astray and anxiety gets in the way. A sacred scent when used during meditation can lead us back to center and utilizing during the life hack moments. Nest Fragrance Body Mist is both a fragrance, delight, and meditation tool to keep anxiety at bay when our fire burns just a little too bright and we need to return to center. So it comes in this really cool box. It's like blue, and it's an ocean mist and coconut water spray, and it also has like cedarwood oils in it. It's in a glass thing, and I'm just gonna spray it because I didn't put anything on today. And it, sorry, I inhaled it. I love when perfumes are like in these like little bottles. You literally, to me, it smells like a tropical beach because it has the coconut in it, the cedarwood, like ocean spray, and I think like I want to wear this like for the gym, not like meditation, because I use like my essential oils for meditation. But anyway, that is the next product. Okay, next up, which is the last item in this box, is the Shift Stir Method, and it's this cool little notebook that this boss babe Tina Marie Clark has created. It's not a notebook, it's like a little like, let's say like pamphlet. It just has like different exercises to like make you think, like just different things that it's like a little like spiritual workbook, let's say. And I love that it's like black and white. Let's read what it says. It says, when we need a little extra help shifting our negative thoughts to positive vibe, the Shift Stir Method, as the title says, Shift Stir, she's all about like stirring up, like shifting your consciousness, shifting like from negativity to positivity. The shift stir method is here to guide us through, because we know who doesn't need a pocket guide to go through our everyday anxieties. Shift through the stirs and spend time focusing on our passion. Those are the last products, and I'll show you guys the 2 stickers that they have. So they have Stay Gold, which is gonna be like my new motto. I'm gonna be saying stay gold all the time now. I'm such a nerd, but I think it's a good short phrase to say. And then the other sticker says light my fire. And I put these like on my journals. I love them. And then it also comes with a little note to like just remind you, give you a boost. It's like you feel like you're connected, you know, to a friend. Naturopathica has a little postcard here, and they actually, I'm from New York, so their products are actually from Southampton, New York. So I thought that was pretty cool. I felt connected, you know. Anyway, so that is everything that we got. So to recap, we got the shift stir method little booklet to help with just being in the moment, whatever. Then we have the probiotics, very good for your gut, the mind-body connection. The gut is really the second brain of the body, and I've done a project on it for school, an acupuncture school, and it's just really amazing. Then we got the I don't even know if I'm saying this correctly, but the Naturopathica calendula cream, which I absolutely love, and I put it in my skincare fridge. Then we got the Nest body mist. We got the endocrine journal, and then we got the Tapas necklace and the beautiful crocodile gold pants. I love Niyamasol, and the box usually runs $90, but now since more people have been buying the subscription box, it went down $10, so now it's $80. And just to give you a perspective of the value of this box, this is about a $200 value box, and normally when you just buy the legging, it is $88. It literally says right there, $88, and so that was $88. This necklace is $35. So the box is $80 itself. So with the leggings, you're already making it, but obviously you need like another product. So with the necklace, you're already exceeding what the subscription box is. This is probably about 40 bucks. Erin Conjuring journals are a little pricey. The perfume, it doesn't have the prices on here. I thought it used to have it, but the perfume is probably goes for like $15-20. Probiotics are pretty expensive, so I'm assuming this is about 20 to 30 bucks. And this calendula cream is probably between $20 to $40. And then the Stir Method booklet probably runs $5 to $10. It doesn't say it, but yeah, that is everything that we got on the Niyamasol box. I hope you guys like this kind of video. I love sharing it because I just get inspired, and I just love getting presents, honestly. Like even when I get my VitaCost box, I love opening it and telling you guys what I bought. Maybe I'll do like a follow-up of healthy habits, tapas, and correlate it with this box. Let's go try on the Niyamasol leggings, and maybe I'll film later. Maybe I'll film tomorrow putting on the calendula cream. We'll just see. But anyway, let's go try on the leggings. That is it for the full edition Niyamasol box. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye. Don't forget to stay gold. Okay, so this is what the leggings look on, the crocodile gold leggings. They're super cool, and I love how like they do like a dark color, then they like fade it out, you know, like they do lighter and then they dark. They're super, super cool. It actually matches, right guys? Does it match with this sweater? I don't know. I think it does. And then I have my gold Tapas necklace on. And just so you know, I get a size medium in the leggings. I originally got the size small, but they do run a little small. Normally in pants, I am like an extra small or a small, so they do run smaller, so get the next size up. So this is a medium, and they're already like, they're not like tight, but they're like snug. And then when you like wash them inside out. Like all my clothes, leggings, I wash inside out because it prevents it from fraying, and then I hang dry it. So do that as well. And yeah, stay gold, guys.